Ezra. Oh. Hi, Woggy. How are you? How's your vaccine? You get boo-boo? What? Very good. No more ouchie? No more ouchie na? Not ouchie anymore? Huh? Why are you showing your tongue? Oh. And you did not finish your milk. Why did you not finish it? You should always finish your milk. Because that's Mama's having hard time to get that milk, eh? You wait for Mama, okay? I'll just take a shower.